Hello there, Gemini sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. So this reading is for the month of November, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So Gemini, hindi lahat ng Gemini maka-resonate sa reading na to. So text what resonates and leave the rest. Gemini, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, okay, Gemini cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Gemini, okay? So if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please do check your other placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Pwedeng kasi doon kayo makaresonate hindi dito, at pwede din kasi mag-continue doon yung reading niyo from here to there or from there to here. So however makaresonate pa din kayo. So Gemini, ano yung pwedeng mangyari this month of November or in the near future? Tignan muna natin this time. What is happening right now, Gemini? Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Naloka kasi ako sa reading ng Aries tsaka Taurus. Anyway. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Dating. Meeting someone new, Gemini. So right now you are dating and you meet someone new. Let's see another oracle card from Yin and Yang, Lilith, the Sun. So that's Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Give me one card, please. Spirit guides, thank you. Deception, temptation. With a new meeting someone new, nagkakaroon ng temptation. Let's see. Love message for Gemini. What is happening right now? What is the love message right now for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus? Give me one card, please. Spirit guides, thank you. Balance. There needs to be a healthy balance, a healthy balance of physical, emotion, and spiritual intimacy for a relationship to be sustainable. So, kailangan balance lang. So, for let's see. Let's see for the Cosmic Insight Oracle card. Give me one card, please. Spirit guides. Give me one card for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Thank you. Health. Health is issue. Could arise. What is happening? So, tingnan natin sa tarot card. So, I can see here, meeting someone new, dating, merong temptation. Tapos, kailangan daw magkaroon ng healthy balance of physical, emotional, and spiritual intimacy for a relationship to be sustainable. So, I can see na there is something wrong about balancing this kind of relationship with the temptation. So, health issue could arise. Let's see. What is happening right now, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. What is happening right now? Give me 6 cards, please. Spirit guides, please. Thank you. That's why. Okay. So, you are meeting someone new. King of Pentacles. You might be dealing with Capricorn. Okay? You might be dealing with, could also be a matured person or a someone na meron na siyang could be responsibility in life. Okay, hindi na to bata, hindi na to basta ganun lang bago or what. This is already matured person. I think this is your person. Tapos naghiwalay kayo nito. Okay? Naghiwalay kayo nitong person na to. Itong person na to, gusto niyang makipagbalikan sa'yo. Gusto niyang makipag-ayos sa'yo. But, might be you did not allow this person to do so. Kasi you are already dating someone new. Okay? Gemini, hindi na bago sa Gemini yon. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng mga temptation or something like that. But this person wanted na maayos kayong dalawa ulit. So, I can see here with the Knight of Wands, there is someone new. This is the someone new. Nagkaroon sa inyo ng attraction, temptation with this Knight of Wands. But then, I can see with this situation, parang nagkakaroon kasi dito ng arguments or conflict sa sitwasyon na to. Feeling ko kasi, bakit balance? Itong person na ka-date mo, okay? Meron din siyang could be wife, okay? And then this reading is for the matured people. Meron siyang wife, and ikaw may problema ka sa husband mo. Okay? Whether married kayo or no. So, may problema kayo, gusto niyang ayusin yung sa inyo, pero you are dating with someone else na with a wife as well. So, itong kanino ka nakipag-date, walang balancing situation sa inyo. Kasi, might be you know that this person is married as well, or this person is with someone else. Tapos, itong person na to, gusto niya na ng new beginning, gusto niya na ng changes sa buhay niya. Kasi may humahad lang talaga yung asawa nung isa. So, parang andun sa point na you did not allow your person to come back to you because you want that other person kanino ka nakikipag-date with. Okay, so nagkakaroon dito ng fights or arguments sa situation na to. So, andun sa point na this time on your part, bakit may health issue called arise dito? Might be sumasakit yung ulo mo dito. Sa kakaisip, kumbaga gusto mo munang magpahinga, na stress ka, might be anxiety, could be depression sa health na meron dito because of what is happening. Kumbaga yung, alam mo yung iniwan or sabi na natin na hindi ko pinansin yung asawa ko na gusto bumalik sa akin, tapos para sa'yo, tapos nalaman ko na meron ka palang asawa or meron ka palang someone, something like that. So, andito sa point na yung gusto mo muna talagang mapag-isa. Okay? Gusto mo muna talagang somebody's holding my legs. Anyway, gusto mo muna talaga na magkaroon ng peace of mind. Okay? So, parang nag-iisip ka dito ng idea, anong gagawin ko? Sumasakit na yung ulo ko, na nagkakaroon ako ng anxiety sa mga nangyayari. Kasi, feeling ko dito, okay, andun sa point na yung person mo, might be yung asawa mo, okay, nalaman niya na may nagkaroon ka ng iba, you are dating someone like that. So, nagalit siya or umiwas siya ngayon. Ayan pala yung ginagawa mo. Okay, sige. Nung nag-approach ka balik sa kanya, hindi ka na niya tinanggap. So, pwede tong vice versa, okay? So, I'm just putting the situation like this. Gemini. So, ngayon, with your meeting someone new, meron kayong tower moment nitong person na to ngayon. You are not talking, or might be this person just ghosted you. Might be this person just hindi ka na binalikan or something, hindi ka na kinausap because nga merong nangang humahad lang. So ngayon hindi mo alam kung babalik ka pa ba sa person mo or dito sa new person mo, na ipaglalaban mo ba yung pagmamahal na yon. So, kung sino ba talaga yung mahal mo? Sino ba talaga yung mamahalin mo? Okay, so let's see. What will going to happen this month of November or in the near future? So, as I said, you might be dealing with earth signs, Capricorn especially, or Virgo, Taurus. I can see also here Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, okay, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, what will going to happen this month of November or in the near future for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Intuition, inner knowing. So, let's see. You might also have a water signs in your chart. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Self-worth, expectation. Okay, so feeling ko dito sa'yo this month of November or in the near future, magkakaroon sa'yo dito ng realization. Okay, magkakaroon sa'yo ng realization dito. Give me one card, please, Spirit Guides. Thank you. Engagement. Your love life is soon to ascending to a higher level of commitment. Vacation. You will be traveling soon. So, let's see. Baka nasa abroad ka. Okay. May nakuha akong story dito. I will tell you when I drop the cards. May na-visualize akong story. Oh. So, you might really be dealing with Capricorn here, or meron kang Capricorn sa chart mo, malakas yung Capricorn sa placement mo. So anyway, nakikita ko dito for this month of November or the near future, okay, you are going to walk away calmly in this situation, since ang feeling ko dito yung nakita ko, you and your partner, okay, might be like live-in kayo nito, tapos nag-abroad ka. Okay, tapos sa abroad may nakilala ka. So siguro nagkaroon kayo ng problema nitong person na to, naghiwalay kayo. Okay, naghiwalay kayo kasi wala naman ako nakitang marriage card. So naghiwalay kayo. Tapos kasi parang inisip mo na mas okay to kaysa sa'yo, parang ganon. So after nung magkaroon kayo ng communication nitong person na to, may mga you are having intimacy with this person, or mga nagkakaroon kayo ng temptation to each other, nalaman mo na meron pala siyang either asawa or ka-live-in din, ganyan. So, niloko ka lang pala niya. So, after that, minahal mo na yun. Minahal mo yun kasi mas pinili mo yun kaysa doon sa tao na gustong balikan ka, gustong ayusin yung problema. So, doon ka nahulog talaga sa kanya. So, nung nalaman mo na niloko ka lang pala, nagkaroon sa'yo ng, nagka-anxiety ka, naloka ka, sumakit yung ulo mo, na bakit ganito? Okay? Bakit parang minahal ko talaga siya, tapos niloko lang pala niya ako. Kaya pala ganito yung naramdaman ko, kaya pala ganyan. Okay? So, nung you try might be to communicate with your person na gustong bumalik sa'yo, umiiwas na siya. Pero nakikita ko kasi, hindi siya umiiwas just because of he don't want anymore. Umiiwas na siya kasi feeling ko, may nalaman. Siguro baka inamin mo na may iba na ako dito, iba na yung mahal ko. Baka ganun yung mga pinag-awayan ninyong dalawa. So at this November or in the near future, parang naramdaman mo deep in your intuition that I need to focus on myself. Okay? May inner knowing ka about self-worth this time. So, na hindi ka na dapat na maging katulad what happened later last time, okay, or in the past. So might be ikaw na mismo yung lumayo, both kasi feeling ko dito sa person na to, yung sa person mo na naiwan mo doon na nag-abroad ka sa Pinas, could be nandito sa Pinas, is lumayo ka ng kalmado, both to love life, could be lumayo ka ng kalmado. Okay? Kasi feeling ko itong person na to, yung past person mo, feeling ko kasi siya yung unang nakipag-usap sa'yo after that. Nung nagkaroon ka na ng self-worth, inayos mo na yung sarili mo. So, parang siya yung unang nakipag-usap sa'yo. Siya yung lumapit sa'yo. Might be meron kayong responsibility nito. Hindi lang talaga kayo kasal dalawa. So, siya yung nakipag-usap sa'yo. And nag-offer siya sa'yo balik ng vacation, victory, commitment. Nag-offer siya sa'yo balik dito. Pero andun nga sa point na through this, okay, nagkaroon ng idea sa pag-uusap ninyo, pag-ayos ninyong dalawa. Feeling ko nagkaayos kayong dalawa dito eh. Nagkaayos kayong dalawa dito. So, parang nagkaroon na ng changes after that. So, napag-usapan nyo siguro with the Ace of Cups, nag-offer siya sa'yo ng new beginning. So, napag-usapan niyo na pag-uwi mo, papakasal na tayo. Okay, may engagement kasi dito eh. So, pag-uwi mo, papakasal na tayo, papatunayan ko sa'yo kung gaano kita kamahal, something, anything like that. So, kaya meron ditong vacation, you will be traveling soon, might be sa pag-uwi mo, baka meron ng engagement, tapos pag-uwi mo, papakasal na kayo. So, this will not going to happen as sooner as he told you, might be after ng contract mo. So, medyo patagal-tagal pa yon. So, ibig sabihin, pinaglaban ka nung past person mo. Yun pa rin, parang tinanggap ka niya kasi mahal ka niya. So, the cycle will really going to end talaga dito. Naayos yung mga hindi nyo pagkakaunawaan. Okay? And nakikita ko dito, there is really possibility na of marriage sa inyong dalawa with that person. Okay? Itutuloy nyo na talaga to. Kasi gagawa talaga na siya ng action, gagawa na siya ng effort para matuloy na yung marriage ninyong dalawa. So, paganda din naman pala, Gemini. So, anyways, kasi nagkaroon ka dito ng realization na ayusin ko yung buhay ko, self-worth, okay? Ayusin ko muna yung sarili ko. And after that, lumayo ka muna, you know? Pero yung person mo na hindi mo pinili, okay, before, siya yung talagang nag-effort na kausapin ka, na ayusin ang lahat ng meron sa inyo dahil sa mahal ka naman talaga niya. So, kaya nagkaroon lang talaga kayo ng pagsubok when that other person came into your life. That is your test. Okay? Pero at least kahit papano, nagkaroon sa'yo ng realization, awakening sa mga nangyayari. And this time, this is your reward. After that, ng pagbabago mo sa sarili mo, this is your reward that you are going to marry the person that who really loves you more. So, Gemini. Okay, so that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.